Hey guys, so here's the little bit of a preview of the game that I'm developing. So it's basically a cricket game, and in this game, in the alpha version at least, what I want is that you are a batsman and the team has just one wicket left. You are introduced as an impact player in the recent IPL, as you have seen that there's a rule of impact player, and you have to win certain matches for the team. So here, and information is given for this current match scenario. So this is the ICPL opening match. So ICPL is basically Indian Cricket Premier League. It's the name I'm going with at the moment. So your team has one wicket left, meaning for your team, you are being introduced as an impact player. Okay, so here you can also use your coins to improve your shots, as you can see. So me see. Let me increase the cut shots, cut lofted and cut grounded shot. Let's try it again. Okay. So I can move the arrow using my arrow keys, and I can press the X button for the grounded shot and the Z button for the blocked shot. Okay. I've got a signal. It's also a timing meter. If you can follow my mouse cursor, there's a timing meter. So the deep green is the ideal timing. I got two runs. The offset boundary is a little bit short. So I'm trying to hit the ball in offside, but the pitch is in the left side, so it's very difficult to go for the offset right now. It's a dot ball. I'm going to smash this ball. Okay. My timing was way off. Okay. I understand it completely. Ah, I will be caught out. Or because of the short boundary, it's a sixer. Okay. Good. All right. So I won this match. So for the next match, as you can see, your team has played extremely aggressively. As a result, they have lost 9 wickets. See this match through. Okay. So in this match, you need to do just 10 runs from 60 balls. I might change the scenarios afterwards. This is just some preliminary scenarios I have already put in this game. And this might be caught. Yes, this will be caught out. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.